Today Anna's cutting my hair while I'm naked.
You're not naked. Pants.
I don't wanna make a mess.
Okay, Mom, just don't. Yeah. Oh. Oh, すごい。待って待って、やばいかな。
Is it just straight like Facebook?
Yes.
Make it look nice.
Okay, I will. Just first, just cut. Cause too long. あ、今いい感じ。ちょっと待って。You can watch movie. あ、ここ長い。ちょっと待って。やったー。ちょっと待って。How to flip? Oh, I can't flip it. Okay then. Today I cut his hair. Ta-da!
Is it even? Not even?
It's not even?
めっちゃな、oh, this
あ、
side's long.
本当だ。あ、もう一回、again.
Maybe that's how hairdressers go side too, not just from back.
あ、そうだね。Yeah, you're right. ここでいい？ちょっと見せて。
It has to be part evenly, right?
Yeah, why you didn't do that?
You're a hairdresser.
見てください。
This side's longer.
Don't move, I'm looking. Oh, いいんじゃない？
Voila. Oh, sige. She cut all my hair.
すごい。
Sige.
でーん。
9 out of 10.
Good job, あれ。見して、ここ後ろ、バックサイド。トゥルトゥル。ほら、そうそう。行こう。Just here, miss it. いや、まあまあまあ。まあまあまあ、いいと思うよ。でーで。
Can you tie it?
I can tie.
Okay, let's see. Will it still tie?
ごめん。Did I poke your eye?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you have lots of hair, actually. いっぱい。すごい、I did not hear how much hair.
No worries, honey.
はい。
Oh, Anna ties my bun.
ね。
Yeah, thanks for watching Anna cut my hair. Looks good, honey. Thank you so much.
どういたしまして。
I like it. It'll dry faster.
あ、
Okay.
if you have black hair こんな感じだ